but not very often. If given the opportunity, he would rather pick his right lead, even when he's by himself, than his left. And that has more to do with something that's going on in his hip than it does anything else. So, in the wild, a one-sided animal would be a dead animal, right? So, it wouldn't take very long for predators to figure out that this horse can only go one way. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, we didn't even work with him back then. Yeah. Flying lead changes, they cross water. It's amazing what they can do until we get a hold of them. Yeah. That professional neglect thing, you know.